Welcome back to my channel, friends. So in the last video, we see that we have created one data frame, one dummy data frame, and we have performed some functions of data frame. Now we will extend to that tutorial today, and I will show you some more functions from data frame. So yesterday we see that how we can select a particular column. So by using this method, you can get a particular column. And suppose you want to select rows by index. So by using this indexing, you can select a particular rows by indexing. So here we are selecting rows from index 1 to index 3, but third index is not getting selected. So yeah, so in this case we can see first index and second index is getting selected. And now we will see some more functions like if you want to select all rows with particular columns, then how we can select. Let's see that. Suppose I want to select all rows. For all rows, you can pass us a comma, and I will select a particular columns A and B. Some error is there. So okay, you need to use loc. So yeah, so df.loc, and inside that you can pass as a first parameter as row indexes, and second parameter is column indexes, means column names you can pass. And you can see that we have selected uh, particular columns with all indexes. Suppose you want to select a particular rows, then suppose I want to select from first to three, then yeah, in this case, we are selecting first two, three rows for these two columns. Now, suppose I want to select a particular row, then there is a ILOC function, and you can pass column, pass row index. Like here is here it is. We have pass index 2, then we are selecting a second index row, entire row. Suppose you want to select multiple rows, then you can select by you can pass a range to this iloc function, iloc indexing. Now there is a Boolean indexing as well. Suppose you want to select values which is greater than 2. You want to select a rows which has a value is greater than 2, then you can select by you can use Boolean indexing by using this method. Then 2, yeah, in this case we are seeing that a value is greater than 2, so those only those values are selected. Suppose suppose it's if you want to select male only in e column, then we try with male only. Yeah, so you have selected a male only in this case. As we have previously see that um, we can create a series in by using pandas. So let me create one dummy series d series. and first parameter we need to pass a series. Let me create a series with 4 items, and let me give a data type of this integer 64. Okay, okay, I have created a series with the integer items, and suppose I want to add another column in the previous data set, like in df data set I want to add a particular column, then you can use df. You need to use reindex function. Then suppose df dot reindex, and I will pass index as this series which we have created earlier. Pass column is list of df dot column. Okay, and I'm adding one more column called g column. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, there's some issue, can only concrete list not str. Okay, so I think we need to add as array. Okay, okay, so we have created, let's select df2. Yeah, in this case we have added one more column with a g name, and all its value are nan. So let's add values for some of the cell in a g column. So let's add mm, see, I want to add index from d of 1 0 to 1, means I want to add a value for first two rows. So I have passed 0 to 1 index, and for G column to let's set the value as a 1. Okay, now let me check a df2. Yeah, we can see that first two row has a value in G column. Now let's select values which doesn't have a value. Means let's select a row which doesn't have a value, means an value. So we can select by df2 is an function. I think it's null function. Yeah, so we can see by this we are seeing that these two values have null values. So let's select only those rows which doesn't have a null values. So we can use data frame function df2 dot drop. Okay, so this will drop a null values rows. The entire rows will be dropped. There is to check null values in entire data frame, there is one more function in pandas, so you can use pd dot is na and pass a data frame. Same result we are seeing as previously using is null function. Now you can use some in data frames there are some statistical functions by that you can explore the data frames by those functions like mean, max, all those type of functions. Suppose there is one function data frame and 2 dot mean, So you can see that we are getting a mean value of numeric columns. Yeah, so for today, I'm wrapping up this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any concern and if you have any doubt. Please let me know if you have any issue while doing this exercise. Please comment down below. Okay, thank you. Bye.